Hi, I'm Myles Johnson. Today I want to talk to you about what happens when someone violates a parenting time order. Oftentimes a client will come to me and say, a person has withheld the child from me, or they've been consistently late to parenting time exchanges, or they were supposed to allow us this certain vacation time and it just hasn't happened regularly, or there's been a pattern of this violation of the parenting time. There are two remedies that come to mind in this situation. I'm going to start with the least desirable remedy, at least from my professional experience, and that would be a contempt proceeding. A contempt proceeding is quasi-criminal. You file a contempt alleging that there was an order, the person willfully violated it, and you're seeking XYZ as a remedy. And you also need to prove that they had the ability to comply with the order. In those situations, you file your contempt, there's an advisement hearing. That might be set, let's say, a month out, where the person comes in, typically pleads not guilty to the contempt, and then there's actually a contempt hearing scheduled maybe a month later, maybe 2 months later, maybe even longer. And then at that time, the court can make a determination that, hey, this person is absolutely in contempt, and we're going to fine them $50 to be paid to the state treasury within 30 days. They could put the person in jail. They have a slew of remedies when it comes to fines and jail time, but what they can't do in a contempt proceeding is modify the parenting plan or really get to the underlying issue. That's why contempt is not my favorite remedy for that situation. I prefer a contempt when someone is not paying something that they should be paying, such as child support. The more favorable action, in my experience and opinion, would be a motion concerning parenting time disputes. This is a motion that's filed, and there's a 30-day window where the court would want to set this out for a hearing. In some cases, the court doesn't set it out for a hearing within 30 days. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. However, the great part about these types of motions is we have the same teeth as a contempt proceeding, but we also have other remedies that the court cannot fashion in a contempt proceeding. The court could, one, modify the parenting plan. The court could order fines. The court can order jail time. The court can also order parenting classes, counseling, attorney fees. And really, it's a situation where you can get pretty creative to get to the underlying problem of why this parenting plan is being violated to begin with. So, if a party is violating a parenting plan, remember we have two options. One is the contempt, and one is the motion concerning parenting time disputes.